Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 21 of your class 6 English grammar, that is essay writing. So let's begin with this. In this we have to write the essay on deforestation. So how to write the essay? How to begin with this? Deforestation is the permanent destruction of forest in order to enhance sources. पहले हम definition से begin करेंगे कि वो चीज़ है क्या. So for life and use of woods, cutting plants is not bad. However, cutting is permanently is bad. Hey, if one is cutting plant, she should do replanting on the same place or other place. So deforestation is only for is one for many purposes like harvesting livestock, lodging buildings, houses, furniture, roads, firewood, industrialization, and other many purposes. Deforestation is affecting the environment more badly, more rapidly. Earth was full of forests in the last century. However, currently around 80% of the forests have been cut and destroyed, and even rainforests have been disappeared permanently. Forests are required for the wellness of the wild animals, human beings, and environment. Because of the deforestation, many unique species of the plants and animals have been extinct permanently. The process of plant cutting is disrupting the natural carbon cycle and increasing its level in environment day by day. Forests are the best medium to utilize the carbon dioxide, that is CO2 gas, from the environment as well as remove other pollutants from the atmosphere and thus maintain the freshness of the environment. Whenever trees are destroyed or burned by any means, it releases carbon and methane, which is dangerous for human life. Both of the gases are called as the greenhouse gas and involved in the greenhouse effect, which ultimately cause global warming. Forests are necessary for proper rain, getting medicine, air, freshness, removing air pollution, getting wood for many purpose, etc. When we cut plants, we disturb all the cycle and affect human lives. Instead of cutting plants to fulfill the needs of paper, we should make the habit of recycling the old things as possible as to avoid the cut of new plants. But just imagine the planet without water. Life is not possible in the same way. Life is also not possible without plants and forests, as they are the source of rain, fresh air, animal habitat, shadow, wood, etc. Without plant, it is not possible to rain on the earth, nor fresh air, nor no animal, no shadow, no wood and medicines. Everywhere would be only heat, drought, flood, storm, carbon dioxide gas, methane, and poisonous gases. No winter season, no rainy season, only summer season. We should join our hands together to prevent deforestation. We should not waste the papers and avoid the unnecessary use of things like paper, kitchen towels, facial tissues, etc. We should think about the reuse and recycle of the papers and things without wasting them to lessen the needs of plant cutting. Saving forest and plants is in our own hands, and only a small step from us all may show a big result towards stopping deforestation. So here I have read the paragraph for you. Here is the essay that was written on the deforestation topic. Here is one more essay, my aim, that you should revise on your own. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.